Sir, can you wake up for me?
I hope to God he gets what he deserves, because he can't even walk straight.
I'm telling you right now, I got scared.
What the happened? You telling me I caused this?
We're right here.
Okay, is there other people in vehicles?
He's in his vehicle, breathing, but unresponsive.
In this
from what I was
vehicle?
told.
Okay, I'll talk to you in a little bit.
This is...
Hey, sir? Sir, can you wake up for me? Hi.
This is what me and Brody were just on, him.
1056?
I think so, but that's the jacket they described to us.
Okay. Sir, can you wake up for me? What's going on? Are you okay? It's the police department. You're fine?
Everyone's out of that vehicle.
Everybody's out. I don't know who is in there though. I have no idea who was in that vehicle. The little lady with the blonde hair and baby were in here.
In this one?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't have a clue who was in this one. I did not see them get out.
Okay.
I don't know where my wallet is. I'm sorry.
No, that's okay. We don't need your wallet. Okay. Who was in the truck?
I don't know. I was going through the intersection and there was nobody when I stopped. And then all of a sudden I heard squealing and we were just spinning.
Do you want to sit down? Would that help you?
I don't know.
Can you sit?
I can't hear out of my right ear.
Do you know who the driver is of this pickup?
No, we don't. But I'm being told...
So did the guy take off?
Yes, I'm being told from two people that there was a black guy that left, got into another vehicle and left.
We think he just got mixed up in the shuffle and didn't want to get arrested for driving without a license or something goofy?
I have no idea. I think she's the only witness. I've been trying to rule out witnesses.
All of a sudden, I see this van coming down the hill, and I'm sitting there and I'm like, he's going pretty fast. So I started slowing up.
Yeah.
Even more so.
Very nice. Defensive driving. I like it.
I like my car.
Yeah. Yeah, you should.
I don't want it ruined.
Yeah.
And I seen her pull out after she had stopped. Of course, you know, I'm yelling, step on it, step on it, step on it, but nobody hears me when I do that. The second time that I've told somebody to step on it and they don't listen.
Okay.
He got her in the back end. She went that way. He kind of flipped around, hit this truck, and at that point I'm like, don't hit me, don't hit me, don't hit me. I don't even think he attempted to hit his brake, to be honest with you.
Okay.
Baby's doing all right. She's a little bit of a bit left.
How's it going?
How you doing?
Hey, are you guys the owners of this car?
Yes, she's the owner. I got scared.
Okay.
I'm telling you right now, I got scared. I asked somebody to take me from the scene to go pick my girl up.
I'm glad you
I did
came
not
back.
cause an accident.
Yeah.
I'm just scared for my life right now. Like, I'm literally scared. Okay. So I did not cause the accident. I did not run from the scene.
Okay.
I did not.
It's really great you came back.
I'm not supposed to be driving.
We won't worry about that right now. That's not my main concern. My main concern is making sure everyone's okay. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Okay. I'm glad you came back.
Did they tell you that I did not cause this accident? I did not leave.
Yep.
Please, please. I just want you to know I'm not lying to you. Please.
No, I 100% know you're not lying to me.
Please. Out of here. God, ma'am, I did not cause an accident.
And I totally believe you.
I'm just scared.
Totally
man.
believe you.
I'm not supposed to be driving. I went and got the kids some food.
I appreciate your honesty. I appreciate you coming back. It all is all taken in.
Oh, you were in this vehicle?
I was. Just me. Just me.
Would you like to be medically evaluated?
No, I'm okay. I'm okay. Thank you.
So she's refusing all transport treatment, vitals.
The way I look at it is like, man, bro.
Probably.
Okay. You don't want any medical attention?
Yes, yeah. Yep. I'm gonna do a refusal on it.
What is this?
So basically what I'm doing is letting you sign stuff so we...
Man, hey, can you lower this?
Oh, sure. Sure. I'm just trying to listen. Yep.
She's got to be able to hear it.
I understand.
I don't know. So this is just stating that you don't want to go to the hospital. Jody just talked to her. So I need 2 signatures since you're an adult to just say, yep, I don't want to go to the hospital. Are you fine with doing that?
Nobody responded, but it does sound like the driver returned to the scene, so help me 10.
I know I ain't doing that.
Like, we didn't just drop you off somewhere in an alley.
You ain't. Y'all. Y'all. Right?
I'll be back.
Sure.
It's up to you, but I mean, I might go up to the hospital just to get checked out. But
I just don't want to take the ambulance either.
No, you don't. You can go up on your own. I'm not saying that.
Because then I have to stop at home and grab a bottle to hopefully calm her too.
Sure, yeah.
Everything.
Just can you keep your hands on top of your head for me?
We're just gonna pat you down, okay?
Go ahead and put your hands on top of your head. There you go. Do you have any weapons on you? No? Okay, good. You had a forward-facing car seat for...
I flipped it. I couldn't get her from the other side, so I buckled it quick.
Oh, so it
was rear. I just couldn't
facing.
get her out because I couldn't get through that door.
Okay. We're gonna try our best to make sure he's...
I hope to God he gets what he deserves because he can't even walk straight. Can my mom...
And your date of birth?
Is it okay for my mom? Just come...
Remember when I talked to you down at the girlfriend's apartments by the zoo?
No.
Remember that day?
Bro, y'all put this on me.
It wouldn't be any different than if I'd smelled alcohol from somebody else involved. I'd be asking them the same stuff. And these are the next steps. So I'm asking you, will you go through field sobriety tests?
Don't worry about the other one. But that's fine.
But I didn't even do nothing.
Francisco, I'm asking you a question.
What do you ask?
Will you go through field sobriety tests?
Are you scared, nervous? What's going on?
I don't know what the f is going on.
Okay, just hey, keep calm. We're trying to figure out what's going on too.
You hit me hard, Mom.
Alright. I'll just let him know that somebody's coming up with a 1-year-old. Okay. 1-year-old?
She's 18 months, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, thank you.
Mom, thank you.
18th month old will be en route to be checked out from this crash. Up at the ER, their grandmother is going to be taking her up.
What the f happened? What? You telling me I caused this?
On scene.
Bro, I went to the house, bro.
And I didn't know if I was supposed to take her out, but she wouldn't stop crying. And I know you're supposed to wait till you guys got there, but
you're all right. You're all right. He is under arrest right now.
Good. I hope so.
So we're gonna be working.
He can't even walk straight or talk. So
we're working with him. Okay.
Really bad. Because my baby was in the car.
Yeah.
You blew it, and you literally spun me all the way through the intersection on the side of the road.
Believe me. I mean, it's not my kiddo, but I'm super pissed as well.
And
so
I'm glad there was people and there was 2 nurses that stopped.
Yep.
So thank God.
Yeah. You guys are free to go. I just wanted to make sure you knew that. So okay.
Thank you. Okay.
Yes.
I want to say thank you because they came and checked on us.
What?
I just want to say thank you to them because they helped. And, they came and checked on us.
They came and checked on you and then took off?
Yeah, he ran back because he said the guy ran.
Yeah, he doesn't have a license, so he was
that's
scared.
Why he was scared.
Yeah, that's our last concern.
Yeah, I just wanted to make sure.
Especially because he wasn't at fault.
No, for sure. And I know he wasn't. And I want to make sure you guys know he wasn't either.
I'm attorney Michael Reynolds, a practicing lawyer with extensive experience in criminal defense and civil litigation across the United States. In this incident from Marshfield, Wisconsin on November 9, 2021, police responded to reports of a potentially intoxicated driver in a silver Chevrolet Venture. 40 minutes later, a multi-vehicle collision occurred involving the same vehicle description. Officers arrived to find the suspect's vehicle disabled. The suspect initially left the scene but returned, admitting he was not supposed to drive. Police attempted field sobriety tests, leading to his arrest after observing signs of impairment. Now that we understand what happened, let's talk about how the law applies. Under US law, particularly in Wisconsin, operating while intoxicated, or OWI, prohibits driving with a prohibited alcohol concentration or under the influence of intoxicants that impairs safe operation. Here, the suspect faced charges for OWI causing injury with a PAC under 0.15% for a first offense, which requires proof of impairment leading to harm. Probable cause for arrest arises when officers have facts suggesting a crime occurred, such as witness reports of erratic driving, the collision, and the suspect's behavior on scene. Field sobriety tests are standardized tools to assess impairment, but participation is voluntary in many states. Refusal can lead to license suspension but isn't automatic guilt. The suspect's avoidance of direct answers during testing could contribute to officers' suspicion. Hit-and-run laws mandate drivers involved in accidents to stop, provide information, and render aid if needed. Leaving the scene even briefly violates this, as seen in the separate charge here. Bail jumping occurs when someone released on bond fails to appear in court, escalating penalties. In this case, prior charges for firearm possession while intoxicated and drug offenses were on record, influencing bail conditions. Detention versus arrest. officers may detain based on reasonable suspicion for investigation, escalating to arrest with probable cause. The suspect's return and admissions aided the process without force. Free speech limits apply. Individuals must comply with lawful orders, like providing identification in some traffic stops, though Wisconsin doesn't require ID unless driving. Actions like fleeing briefly escalated scrutiny, leading to additional charges and arrest. Had the suspect remained at the scene and cooperated fully without admissions, he might have limited self-incrimination, potentially affecting evidence gathering. Choosing not to drive while impaired could have prevented the incident entirely. Remember, legal disputes are resolved in court, not roadside, where challenging officers often worsens outcomes. Key lessons. Know your state's OWI and hit-and-run statutes to avoid severe penalties like probation, jail, and interlock devices. Cooperation can de-escalate, but consult counsel for rights. This is general education, not advice. Seek a licensed attorney for specific cases.